on the last video I covered like simple Bluetooth. I know I wasn't the best at it, but I really hope it made sense just for how to connect it. So let me just get on with how I connect it to my drone. Again, I'm using this Bluetooth drone controller. These are the settings I have. Now, this is what it looks like when I connect it to my computer. I mean, my phone, a friend's phone. So you're gonna go to your phone, Bluetooth settings, make sure your Quadstick's on the Bluetooth profile. And then you're gonna turn on Bluetooth, make sure you pair it first. So once you're connected to it, the next thing I did was I make sure my drone was on, which is the Tello, and once it's on, I make sure to go to Wi-Fi. Hopefully the Tello signal pops up, and then you just log into it. That's pretty much all you do at this point. This is a simple controller to phone to drone connection that you can do. So as you can see now, I connected to the drone. It says there's no internet because the drone isn't internet, it's Wi-Fi signal. And after that, all you gotta do is exit, go to the app itself. I use the app FPV. I will zoom into this area right here because it's too small. And there it is. There is camera signal going through my phone feed. And all I did was go to settings, go to controller, and make sure I set it to where the Quadstick or whatever controller you're using to have master mode, master control over the whole app. And you can actually change the buttons to your liking. You can change it however you feel like it. Sports video mode, the yawing, the pitch forward. Once you have that all set up, you're pretty much good to go at this point. I can't make it any more simpler than this. Hopefully this makes sense. And if you still have questions, just comment below. I've just been asked so many times, how do I connect my Quadstick to my drone? Happy flying!